Hey there, I'm Richard. I am super excited to be talking to you at the Global Sources Summit in April and to be coming back out to China and to Hong Kong and to be doing some sourcing, which is the part of the job that I love. So I've been an entrepreneur now for quite a few years, but in my early career, I was a buyer for various leading international retailers and did a lot of sourcing direct from China and Asian markets. And we've used some of those, some of the experience I had in my early career to our advantage in our Amazon business. And that's really helped us to develop some awesome relationships with factories in China and helped us to build out differentiated products and get the level of quality that we wanted. I'm going to share some of those techniques with you, and we will be covering things like how to pick the best factories for your business, how to set up the right kind of commercial agreements, how to set the right quality expectations from the get-go, how to set up and how to project manage orders and product development, how to do inspections and shipping out. So there's a lot of pitfalls, as you probably know, in terms of dealing with factories in China, and it can be a lot of hard work. But by implementing some of these strategies, you will reduce your risk. By spending a little time at the outset and by doing the simple things, some simple things, you can stay in control and have great relationships with your factory. And I promise you, you'll sleep better knowing that your products are going to get shipped out and they're going to get out to the right level of quality that you want. I can't wait to meet you at the summit. Please come over and say hi. It would be great to have a chat about your business, and if I can help in any way, then I'd be really happy to do that. Cheers now.